How to add family details at the family page section when creating a memorial. So here we are required to add information to the parent form. So we are adding the details of the deceased parent. So let me upload a photo of the deceased father. Yes, so this is the photo of the deceased person's father. Then you select the relation to the deceased person. So it's going to be father, and then you add the name. So we call him Charles. Johnson. And then in this space, in case the father had a memorial on our website, we insert the link, but since he does not have, we leave it that way. So once you are done, you click on Save Parent. Yes, so there is also an option here, so you can toggle it to either display or hide. So once currently it's at hide, meaning it is not going to display at the main memorial when it is being displayed on our website, but when you turn it on, the parent section will be visible to everyone who visits your memorial. So let's move on to add the next person. So you can add another parent. So here the relation would be the mother, and then you add their name, and you upload a photo of the deceased person's mom. So after that, you click on the Save Parent button. Then next we head on to the spouse form. So here you choose whether the deceased person had a wife, a husband, a partner, or a spouse. So here we are going to choose a wife, and then select the photo of the wife to display. So I'm going to select a photo of the wife. And then you add their name. And then you click on the Save Spouse button. Yes, so there's always an option to either hide this info or to toggle it on for it to be visible for everyone to see. Then next we have the children form. So with the photos, it is not mandatory to include photos. You can choose to add them or you can choose not to. So here you indicate whether the deceased child was a stepson, a stepdaughter, or whether they were adopted. So you select any of the options here. So I select son, and then let's call him David Johnson. You can choose to add. Let's call him David Johnson here. And click on the Save Children button. move on to the extended family. So here you can add the sister of the deceased person, the brother, or any other relative. Then we move to the next option, which is the special rule. So here you can choose whether the deceased had a best friend or maybe a mentor, someone they admired. So you can also add their information here. So all these are not mandatory, they are optional. You can choose to have add them once you have details of them. So that's all for the family page when creating a memorial. Thank you for watching.